brothers and sisters, as you all know how much a laptop is needed in our life and what are the benefits of laptop. We will know all these things in this video. Hello guys, my name is Sadiya. As you all know, online classes is going on, and while doing online classes, sometimes the phone falls from our hand and sometimes many problems come in phone, like the battery goes down or else the display goes down. So to solve these problems, my dad bring me a laptop. The laptop is in this package, and today we are going to know about where does the laptop come from and what is the price of laptop and many other things. You will also say after watching this video.
Oh my god! Wow!
So let's do unboxing without wasting any time. Guys, this is laptop adapter. Now we will open this. This is charging lead and this is adapter. This is 85-volt adapter, and with this we have one power cable. Wow, this is so shiny. This is flexible also. Now we will come in our main topic, laptop, that we were talking about. I am so excited. This is my first laptop in my life.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Now I'm going to open it. Oh my god, this is a Acer laptop. This Acer laptop is very beautiful looking, as you are seeing. This is very lovely laptop. I will show you how it is worked. With your blessings, I am going to start this laptop. Wow, it's Windows 10 already installed. This is working so smoothly. I will tell you about its configuration in the next video, how my experience was running in it. Guys, we will meet in the next video. Today's video ends here. Thank you. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe. My next video will come very soon.
Oh my god! Wow!